is Arnav, or you can say as the Tech Arnav, and you are watching Abby Tech.
So dear friends, as soon as you click on the KineMaster app, you will find this interface. As soon as you enter into the KineMaster app, you will find this type of interface in front of you. So dear friends, already I have made the number of projects. You can clearly see over here. So these projects are appearing here. You can create a new project. You can create a new project, or you can edit in an existing project. Okay, so for creating a new project, you have to go here, the plus sign. You will find the aspect ratio for the project. So 16:9 is a good aspect ratio. You have to select that. And now dear friends, for editing, first of all you have to insert something, the video or some background from the media. So I will click on here into the media. So you will find the number of the what is called as the backgrounds will be here, and the videos are here. So you can insert anything from here, it will be directly inserted. Let's see. First of all, I will insert from the background. So I'm inserting this background, any one of the background. Okay, the right click button, the top of the right, you will find. Now dear friends, the background or the part of clip you have inserted here, you can extend this. How so? Just click on this. You will find the red colored border. Now you can increase by pressing one end. You can increase the length of this. The background length can be increases. The extent can be up to the any what is called this length or the any distance you can extend of it. Now next thing is that the clear vertical line is appearing over here. So this vertical line is the indication that where to trim or where to cut the given video clip or the background media, or where to insert, from where to insert. It will indicate from where to, in this point onward, your activities or your insertion will be from this point, this vertical line, dear friends. Now let's see. This is the way you can trim, cut, or you can do anything. Okay, dear friends. So for furthermore process, how to we use the effects and the number of other things, I will go back and I will insert directly. Let's see, here you can look test copy of KM. Okay, so if you are clicking to the here, the play button, it will directly play. Share button, you can share to anywhere, directly to the YouTube or the video compressor. You can delete it, you can make it copy. The plus sign indicates the copy of this. So for editing, click on this video. Now let's see, I have just for editing I have taken this video. Okay dear friends, now let's see. So for any video, if you want to cut it, so place where you want to cut the vertical line, you have to place here. Now select this video, and here you can see that at the right corner the scissor button is there. You have to click here. Now the number of options are there: trim to left of playhead, trim to right of playhead, split at playhead, split and insert freeze frame. You can do anything. So I'm splitting, I will apply on the tab the split at playhead. Let's see, the given video from this point have cut down into the two parts. Though the video is continued, dear friends, you can see though the video is continued, but now this it is splitted here, and now you can insert here any background or other media also. Let's suppose I'm inserting the background media. So from where I have to go, I will go to the media for background purpose, and I will select the other media. Let's I will select this one. Okay dear friends, to click on right mark, it will be inserted. Now you can see it is inserted between the two parts. So now again the important thing you can do over here is that if you wanna move the part of the clip or the background, or you wanna shuffle, so for that purpose simply you have to click on that. Let's see, I have clicked here, or rather than clicking, you have to press with your finger. Now you can move anywhere. I am moving the right of this. Let's see here. Now this part came over here. So in this way you can shuffle the any part of video from any other part. Let's see, again I am pressing for this and just moving to the left side, and the exactly at the starting point. Let's see, or before this. So I will again click it and I will place over here. So okay dear friends, so let's see. Now this is the starting part. So in this we can do the number of other things. but till then you have to keep in mind that how to clear it. Now let's see again next thing. Let you wanna, rather than the trimming it or the split at the playhead, if you are using the trim to the right of playhead, it will be directly removed. That part where I have the putted, or where I have kept the vertical line, from that right part will be the automatically trimmed out. In this way left side also can be trimmed out, dear friends. Okay, so I will click on the right button. Now see, in left side the some buttons are there at the top of the left corner. It means the undo, then increase the screen, then share button you will directly share from the any other compressor app or anything else. Here setting is there, and the play button, extend screen button is there. Okay, dear friends. So now what let we do, we will go to the layer. Okay, I think you have understood how to insert the media and how to cut it. Now let's see, dear friends, we will use the layer. So in layer you will find the 5 options are there: media, effect, overlay, text and handwriting. We will go one by one. Now dear friends, what is the difference between the, if you are using the media directly and the media from the layers? Layer means what? Layer clearly indicates that whatever you will add on the top or what on the above of the background, it is movable. Means what? It is not firm like the background. So let's see, previously we have inserted the background, the same background I will insert on this. What will be happen? Media, go to the background, and now I'm inserting this font. So let's see, it is on the top of the what? Background media. Okay, dear friends. So layer media will be on the top of this, and it is movable. Okay, dear friends. So now the interesting thing is that, see, in between of the, after the scissor, here one option is there, click on that. So you can make full screen, you can make the top of half of this, the bottom, left and right. So this way, even though by tabbing it you can just adjust the size of it. So that is the thing. Okay, dear friends, in this way you can, or if doing the off button, then manually you can trim it. So I am manually now trimming it. So this is the important difference between the what, if you are inserting the media from the main the library or the media from the layers. So this is the main difference, keep in mind that. Now dear friends, so in this layer you can again insert the number of layers. So in the previous version you were having the limitation of inserting the 3 layers on the video clip. Now you can insert the number of the up to the n number of video layers. But what happens if you are inserting more than the 50 and then that, then it will be somehow difficult to manage. Okay, dear friends. So now again, so this is what the media. Now what is about the effect? So effect is what? Your background media will be get this effect, the chow's flower, overlay, zoom. Let I am clicking over the night side. So night side. Now you can clearly see the what is the effect over there on the background media, and you can also increase the length of this effect by tabbing, clipping it. Let's say I am clicking it, and now I can increase the length of this up to which point you wanna. Clearly you can do that, and the simple way is there. Okay, dear friends. Now the about the effect, important thing is that the number of effects are there in the KineMaster library. You will find, if you want to get the more effect, let's see here, the reach and get more, so you must have to the either paid version or what I had suggested you in the previous videos, unlocked version. The link is given in the description, or already I had made a video. You will find the unlocked version. With that, all the features, thousands of features are there in the unlocked version or the paid version. So you not need to pay a single money. That is not the cracked or the theft version. That is the free or unlocked version. I had provided you the link. Otherwise you will not have this effect in a free version, and the high quality video cannot be created. Thereby I am suggesting the KineMaster. I will provide each and everything, dear friends. Okay, so you can use the effect and you will get the definite type of the effect, dear friends. Okay, so now we will go to the next layer, dear friends. The overlay is again the one type of the special effect. Let's see the basic shapes. You can insert shape on this, you can insert shape, and even though you can increase the shape of this effect. Okay, and the thing is that, dear friends, whatever the layers you are using, for that purpose you can do the you can trim it, rotate it, blending, then information, setting, incoming, the number of things are there. I will show you later again. Okay, difference for any layer, whether it is media, whether it is the effects, whether overlay, text, handwriting, whatever. If you are inserting from the layer, you can manage it. You can manage it with the number of other effects, like the in animation, out animation, overall animation, a number of other things are there. We will see. Let me see in the text option. So in text option, let's suppose I am writing here the FDP. Okay, dear friends, I will write over here F, D and P. Okay, insert it. So from see the right corner, if you want to change whatever is written over here, you can go to the typewriter. Again, you can change over it. Okay. Then font AA, we are looking over here AA. So go to the AA. The number of fonts are available. I will use in Latin Bevan font. Right click, you will find it. So the again, if you want to draw the outline, the number of options are there. You can clearly use those. Not need to say lot, but still. So enable it. Now increase the weight. If you want to choose the color, black color is given. Let's suppose I will use the red color, and now in this way, look at there. So okay, dear friends, even though go to the back, the number of other things are here, dear friends. Let's suppose you want to choose the background color, enable it, give the background color. Okay, and now here, if you want a full width backgrounds, then let's see, it will full width background is here. Okay, so these are the interesting thing, dear friends. So likewise, if you wanna again change it, then click on this FDP. Let's see, in animation, fed, it will be faded off. Then overall animation, pulse is there, blink show is there, then fountain is there, ring is there, let's see, floating is there, drifting, the number of other effects are there, the friends. Okay, out animation is there. Alpha capacity means what? The transparency. You can see a type of alpha capacity. Rotate, mirroring, blending, we can blend with the photo, we can multiply it, overlay it. The number of effects are there for the text option, friends. Okay, background color is there. So that is all about the what? The text. So we will insert the next layer. Kindly just inculcate in your mind that, dear friends, for inserting the layer, you not need to select the background media. Only for cutting you have to select. Like if you want to cut or insert something, then you have to select. Otherwise, don't. Because if you are selecting, so these options are for now what? Speed control is there. You can control the speed of this, reverse, rotate, mirroring, color filter, clip graphics. I will show you the number of other effects are there. But now for layer. Okay, dear friends. So not need to select. Okay. Now layer. The next layer. The text already we have done. Now the handwriting, dear friends. So this is a very simple tool, you know, by choosing the any color, the blue color there, I will choose the yellow color. And then now pencil, I will choose this pencil. Now you can write anything over here. Check on. You can reduce the size, no problem. Let's see. This is like this. Check on anything you can write over here. You can extend this, not necessary. Even though if you wanna the erase for this layer, then you can erase it. Okay, dear friends, so you can erase over it, layer, and this writing. So the erase, you can erase it in this way if you using. Okay, so this is the way, dear friends. Now these are the simple things. Now what about the next layer? Okay, the layers have completed. Now the next thing is that, dear friends, audio. So dear friends, you can easily see over here the number of the songs are there, music assets are there. In, dear friends, the even though you will find every type of the music effects, the ambient, street, and the number of alright, amor. So whatever the requirement as per your video creation or for the audio creation, you will find each and everything. It is the way, the coincidence that you will sometime you will not find your required audio clip. In SFS asset, you will find the sound of each and every animal, glass breaking glass, then the guitar ascent, everything, drum, and everything you will find there, friends, if you are having the premium version or the unlocked version. So you can still download the as per the alphabetically, even though you will find the number of other are there. Okay dear friends, so in this way you can use the what is called as the audio. What about the dear friend, the voice clip? For the voice clip, you have to click over here and start button. As soon as you start, your voice will be recorded over here. As I'm using the actually what is called as the headphone or the collar mic, therefore you can't hear. Though if I use the stop button, it will say that the voice recording was too short. Okay, but you can easily find when you use this button in the KineMaster what will be happen, because the audio source is used by my collar mic, and hence you will not actually it will give the message that too short audio clip, and this will be not appear. Okay therefore, so this is the way you can use your own audio to hear. Okay dear friends, so that is the way you can use the media layer audio and voice. Here right click, it is for the, you say the play button, and here what it is the again the let's see, if you are using this button, then what asset store for the KineMaster. Okay difference. So here left side the setting is there. So the one thing is remain dear friends, that if you are selecting to this the background media, now what we can do, again we can cut or the stream or the split, if you are using the split at the player. Okay, now if I am selecting this, you can use the clip graphics. Clip graphics are the, you can say that the very effective feature for the KineMaster, and you will find in the KineMaster. With this feature you can make your presentation, your video clip highly efficient, and the what is called as the look is professional, it seems to be. Let's see, this is the simple video clip. Okay dear friends, now I will choose this video clip, go to the clips graphics. Now let's see the award show. I'm clicking on the award show. What already I have the downloaded clip graphics from my KineMaster store. Okay, now let's see the incoming. I'm using this. Now let's see the appearance, what is stylish or the incoming appearance. I will click it. Now you can clearly see the what a good appearance or what a stylish appearance over here. You can write, if you're clicking here the clip graphics, the two text box are here, you can easily type over here in this text box. So whatever, if you're writing here, let's suppose I will write Tech Arnav, I will write over here Tech Arnav. Okay, you can choose size. Now let's see, it will appear over here in this, the below the text box I will write FD and P, FDP. The text I will choose the B1, it is a bold, and OK button. Now let's see the Tech Arnav, and the FDP is below written this. So these are the clip graphics, and you will find if you are having the downloaded clip graphics dear friends, so the very efficient and magnificent the number of clip graphics are there. With those clip graphics, with this clip graphics you can prepare high quality and different styled videos. Let's see, I will use one of the clip graphic. Let's see because the number of other clips of the opening. Let's see, opening video will be like this, the number of or the plan. Let's see, these are the plan videos. So whatever the requirement or the required for your the type of video you want to do the video project or the presentation, you can get everything of this sort of the material if you are downloading each and every asset from the KineMaster. So this is the very efficient and the magnificent what is called the feature for your KineMaster. With that you can make a highly professional or HD quality videos, professional videos with the good features. Okay dear friends, so I will go again to the test copy. Let's see here. Okay dear friends, so keep in mind that these are the features. Now again I will just click on this. You can choose the speed. means what? The 1x, 2x, what will be happen is a 4x. I will choose the 4x. Now let's see what will be happen here. The speed of this clip will be increased by 4 times. Okay dear friends, again I will clip on this speed, reverse. What will be happen if I use the reverse? What is going on? This clip is going to reverse, even the sound and everything, every effect will be, what will happen? It will be reversed in a back direction. Okay dear friend, I'm cancelling it. So the next, rotate, mirroring. Let's see with the help of this. These are the basic rotate and mirroring, not color filter. So in this way you can mirror it, rotate it, and you can move. So this is the way. Now what about the next effect dear friends? Color filter. You can choose the color, the different color style, whatever the light condition were there when you were recording the video, but still you can choose the color filter by which you can create effect, or the color effect or the lighting effect with your own style, with your own choice, with the help of this color filter. The number of color filters are there. Let's see what the changes have occurred over here in the video. So dear friends, each and every effect in the KineMaster is very effective, and the dynamic effect is there with which you can create a highly professional videos over there. Let's see what a quality effect is there, isn't it dear friends? Okay, so let's go to the color filter adjustment. You know, the adjustment of the what is called as the light, the brightness, the hue you can make over here. Equivalent, it is about the sound, AM radio, bass booster, bass reducer, hip hop, jazz, natural, pop. These are what for the audio. You know very well this equalizer, what it does, it does the sound effect or the sound change. Now volume envelope, dear friend, volume envelope is a very effective tool. What happens? I will select this one video. Now volume envelope. By choosing this volume envelope, what you can do, you can increase the size or decrease. Let's see the bottom of this, where this sound effect is changing. So at this point I have make the 100% sound. Now incidentally or momentarily I want to reduce the sound over here. What I will do, I will press here to the I will reduce this sound, and this will be the sound will be reduced for this point only. With this, the points or the circular the tabs, you can easily see what is the effect of this, what is going on over here, that you can make the changes of desired sound level at every point. You can make, and this is the very effective tool dear friends. Okay, so that is all about the volume envelope. Reverb, you know, voice changer. Voice changer is what? Voice changer means what? The comedy, if you create a comedy show, the alien, the chorus, confusion, death metal, deep, this finger, this will be change your sound. Whatever the sound already you have recorded, it will be go into the chain. So this is all about what your voice. Okay dear friends, Vignette make this effect. This is very much effective. Last one is the extract audio. If you're extracting audio, what will happen? The audio is extracted, and now what I'm using actually mutes. Already I have extracted the audio, therefore it seems to be the mute. No sound is coming over here. Okay dear friends, no sound is coming over here. So that is the thing. So again I will select this, and what is the last one? Extract audio. Okay, it's completed. So this is dear friends all about the what is called as the basic training about the KineMaster. With the help of this, basically you can create a good quality, high quality video for YouTube and for other purposes. And in the latter video dear friends, I will tell you which are the special effects in the KineMaster. This is the simple way to create a high quality professional video by using the number of effects, the text and the things what I had taught to you dear friends. Now in the next video we will learn about the number of special features, special effects in a KineMaster dear friends.